So in this problem, we have to find out two numbers such that the harmonic mean between the two numbers is 4. The arithmetic mean is A, geometric mean is denoted by G, and we are provided with the equation 2 times the arithmetic mean plus square of the geometric mean equals 27. Let us begin. So what we'll do, we'll assume that the two numbers are A and B. Now it's given here in the problem that the harmonic mean has a value equals to 4. So immediately we can find out the harmonic mean, because we know that whenever we have two numbers, the harmonic mean is simply 2 times AB divided by A plus B. This will be equals to 4. Let's label this as number 1. And we have the equation 2 times A plus G squared. So that's equals to 27. Fine. Now what's the arithmetic mean of A and B? The arithmetic mean of A and B, that's simply A plus B over 2. And then we have G, which is the geometric mean of A and B. So that's square root of AB whole squared. So this will be equals to 27. So we can cancel out 2. We are left with A plus B plus AB equals to 27. So this is the other equation that we are getting here. Now let's try to simplify equation number 1. So here we can factor out 2 from both sides. So we are left with AB divided by A plus B equals to 2. Or we can simply get AB equals to 2 times A plus B. So let this be number 3. Now what we'll do, we'll substitute 3 in 2 such that equation number 2 is now going to become, we have A plus B plus, here we have AB, but what we'll do, we'll replace the value of AB with 2 times A plus B. That will be equals to 27. So A plus B added to 2 times A plus B, that's simply 3 times A plus B equals to 27. And this gives us the equation A plus B is equals to 9. Fine. So we have A plus B equals to 9. Now that we have the value of A plus B, we can use equation number 3 to find the value of AB. So that means from equation number 3, we have AB that's equals to 2 times A plus B, so that's 9. So we have AB equals to 18. Fine. Now, what we'll do, we'll suppose that let the numbers which we have chosen, A and B, so let A and B be the roots of a quadratic equation. So this would mean that the quadratic equation is going to have the form x squared minus the sum of the roots, which is A plus B times x, plus the product of the roots AB, and this will be equals to 0. Now that we have the value of A plus B, so we can replace this value with 9 and AB with 18. So we get x squared minus 9x plus 18 equals to 0. So this is going to be the quadratic equation, and now we can find out the value of the roots. So let's use the method of factorization. We know that 6 times 3 is 18, so we can split the middle term. 9x is 6x minus 3x plus 18 equals to 0. So that's going to now give us x. We can take x as the common factor from the first and the second term, so x will get multiplied to x minus 6. Then we're going to take negative 3 as the common factor from the third and the fourth term, so we have negative 3 times x minus 6, and this will be equals to 0. Now we get x minus 6 multiplied to x minus 3 equals to 0. So we're getting x equals to 6 and x equals to 3. And these are the roots. So that means one root is going to be A, having a value 6, and B is going to be 3. Or we can have A equals to 3 and B equals to 6. Either way, both of them are going to be correct, and they satisfies the condition that the harmonic mean of these two numbers are going to be 4. So let's check it out. So we have 2 times 6 times 3 divided by 6 plus 3. So that's the harmonic mean. This will be equals to, we have 2 times 6 times 3 divided by 9. Now 3 times 1 and 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 3 times 2, that's 6. 2 times 2, that's going to be 4. So we have obtained the harmonic mean is 4. So let's go back to our options. So here option number C, that's going to be the correct option.